All right, well, we've gone through quite a bit of filters. I think I'll end the series here. It's been fun. This is the little FM band notch filter that I looked at a while ago on the channel. Let's just kind of take a look at various filters that I've had. Turn this off so it's quiet. All right, so we just looked at this one. This one is a bunch of L's and C's, notch filter. Here's a low pass, typical lumped element LCs. This one looks like it might be elliptical. All right. Here's the type of filter that we haven't covered in this series, but I'll put a link down below. I've talked about SAW filters. This is a surface acoustic wave filter. That's a nice sharp bandpass filter. So take a look at that. This is another surface acoustic wave filter. This one's 1.2 gigahertz. And so it's pretty nice. Like I said, I covered SAW filters before. There are other filters. Here's a crystal filter. I've done a bunch of videos on crystal filters. This is a homemade one that I did for a radio. And I put some connectors on it just so I could measure it with the spectrum analyzer. But you can make these crystal ladder filters. They're fun. Here's a filter that's interesting design. It's a bunch of resonant cavities. So it's a bandpass filter. A bunch of resonant cavities in series. So this is a three-stage filter, around 880 megahertz. I showed my little hairpin filter. Well, here's a big hairpin filter. Got this off of AliExpress. This one's a 1.08 gigahertz. Now you can see the problem with these things is you go from 2.4 gigahertz to 1 gigahertz. Well, if you wanted to do 100 megahertz, well, it'd be giant and you wouldn't be able to build it on a PC board. It would just start to go crazy. And then, of course, we took a look at the other types of filters here, too. So there's a ton of filters I haven't even included. Yeah, you can spend all day long studying filters. They're fun to measure on your instrument. If you want to measure filters, you can do it with your Nano VNA. I've done a bunch of videos on measuring filters with Nano VNAs, measuring the S21 parameter. I've done videos on big VNAs. I've done videos on using a spectrum analyzer with a tracking generator. I've done videos on spectrum analyzers with no tracking generator. Lots of ways to measure filters. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun making. And yeah, take care.